And we are in action. See the motherfucking boat taking off, nigga. Huh? Hey, check out the movie theater on the motherfucking boat, man. I'm about to zoom it in on it. Zooming in on it on them. That's the closest I can get, man. You see that right there? See that thing by that tail? Nigga, that's the movies, nigga. That's what we watching them on tonight. Step it up. But we on the other boat. Our shit got moved too. Motherfucker look like Titanic now, man. Huh? Huh, mommy? Yee! Yee! Can't get no action, boy. Yeah! See them bitches, boy? Barely. Look like ants. Man, we just try to do it, big, man. Kick it one time for the mob. Got my nigga 56 to this bitch, nigga. And we reppin' this shit. My nigga, cousin Tess Younger, this bitch, nigga. Yada. Look, he put a camera on the camera. Come on, man. Tell him to step it up. Oh, shit. What's up, bro?
Are they heading out or heading in?
Man, look like they heading out and in. Yeah, they heading out, though. On some real shit.
Yeah, they wouldn't be happy coming in.
Okay.
That's true.
See how long that motherfucker is? Damn. Wow, look at the paint job. What that say? Yeah. How you doing? That's what's up. You say something for the camera? Want to say something for the camera? Are you good? Alrighty. Hey, Cruise, baby. What's going on DVD?